Welcome to visit Chill English Flow channel for learning English conversation. Jack and Soph here. Thank you.
Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
What we covered here. Thailand launched airstrikes against Cambodian military targets along their long-disputed border, escalating tensions between the Southeast Asian neighbors. Thailand also accused Cambodia of launching rockets into civilian areas. Thailand's health ministry said that at least 12 people, including 11 civilians and 1 soldier, have been killed in clashes with Cambodian troops. The strikes came a day after a Thai soldier lost his leg to a landmine on the border, prompting a downgrade of diplomatic ties by both Bangkok and Phnom Penh as relations collapse to their lowest level in years. Thailand's Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra was suspended this month and could face dismissal after the leak of a phone call she had with Cambodia's powerful former leader Hun Sen, in which she appeared to criticize her army's actions in the dispute. Thailand and Cambodia have a relationship of both cooperation and rivalry. They share a 500-mile or 800-kilometer land border, largely mapped by France when it ruled Cambodia, that has periodically seen military clashes and been the source of political tensions. Cambodia condemns Thai military over damage to UNESCO World Heritage Site. From CNN's Len Lang and Olivia Kemp, Cambodia's Ministry of Culture and Fine Arts has expressed its strongest condemnation of the aggression carried out by Thailand's military, saying that the targeting of Preah Vihar Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, may constitute war crimes. In a statement Thursday, the ministry called the strikes a grave and unacceptable violation of international law and a blatant disregard for legal obligations to protect cultural heritage. The strikes caused significant damage to both the surrounding area and the structures of the temple, it said. The temple, it added, is a sacred cultural site and historical legacy of the Cambodian people. The ministry claimed Thailand's aggressive actions are both a cultural disaster and a moral tragedy, warning of far-reaching consequences for global heritage and the national identity of the Cambodian people. The ministry demanded the stop to military activity near the temple. Cambodia's defense ministry said earlier Thursday that a Thai F-16 fighter jet had dropped 2 bombs on a road near the 11th century temple as clashes erupted at several flashpoints along the two countries' disputed border. Japan urges Cambodia and Thailand to de-escalate border tensions. From CNN's Olivia Kemp and Len Lang, Japan has expressed deep concern over the ongoing military clashes between Cambodia and Thailand, urging both sides to show maximum restraint and resolve tensions through dialogue. Japan has been working to encourage both countries to de-escalate the situation, Foreign Minister Takashi Iwaya said in a statement on Thursday. A sound relationship between Cambodia and Thailand is extremely important for peace and stability in the region. He added that he strongly hopes that the tension between the two countries will be eased peacefully through dialogue. Thailand has launched airstrikes at Cambodia. Here's what to know. If you're just joining us, Thailand has launched airstrikes against what it says were Cambodian military targets along the two countries' long-disputed border. It has also accused Cambodia of firing rockets into Thai civilian areas, resulting in at least 1 death. For its part, Cambodia has said it would, quote, respond decisively to the strikes, accusing Thai forces of violating arrangements by ascending to the Ta Muan Thom temple and deploying barbed wire at the base of the temple. It also said Thai forces launched a drone. Here's how this all unfolded. Skirmishes in May. Tensions between the two countries started to worsen in May when a Cambodian soldier was killed during a brief clash between Thai and Cambodian troops in a contested border area of the Emerald Triangle, where Cambodia, Thailand, and Laos meet. Thai and Cambodian forces said they were acting in self-defense and blamed each other for the skirmish. Although military leaders from Thailand and Cambodia said they wished to de-escalate, both sides have since engaged in saber-rattling and reinforced troops along the border. Thai PM suspension. The Thai Prime Minister Bethong Tan Shinawatra was suspended from duties earlier this month and could face dismissal after the leak of a phone call she had with Cambodia's powerful former leader Hun Sen, Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet's father, in which she appeared to criticize her own army's actions in the dispute. Soldier loses a leg. On Wednesday, a Thai soldier lost his leg to a landmine on the border, prompting a downgrade of diplomatic ties by both Bangkok and Phnom Penh. Thailand deploys jets. After the soldier lost his leg, a Thai fighter jet dropped bombs on Cambodian military targets along the disputed border on Thursday. Cambodia responded. Cambodia's defense ministry confirmed that a Thai F-16 had dropped 2 bombs on a road near the ancient Pre Bihar Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It condemned what it called brutal, barbaric, and violent military aggression, accusing Thailand of violating international law. Civilians killed. Armed clashes between the two Southeast Asian neighbors killed at least 11 civilians and 1 soldier in Thailand. Cambodia has not yet released a civilian death toll. Thailand has accused Cambodia of launching a strike on civilian infrastructure. Cambodia has not yet responded to this accusation, but earlier swore to, quote, respond decisively. End of talks until fighting stops. The Thai government has called on the international community to condemn Cambodia's actions in a post on Facebook, accusing the country of being a warmonger that disregards human rights by continuously using heavy weapons against civilian targets. The acting prime minister said the country will not resume talks until the fighting stops.